Here is how to bulk enter time in Clio Manage step by step. Start by opening Clio Manage and going to Activities. In that area, select the Time tab. This is where you can add new time entries and return later to review or update existing ones. To begin entering time, click New Time Entry. A form will open where you can enter the details for the first record. Fill in the matter, the date, the duration, the description, the rate, and any other required details shown in your account. Take a moment to confirm that each field matches the work you want to record before you save it, especially the matter and the duration, since those details affect where the time is logged and how it appears later. Once the entry is ready, click Save and create another. This saves the current time entry and immediately opens a fresh one so you can continue without returning to the time page each time. This is the key part of entering multiple records in one session because it keeps you moving from one entry to the next with fewer interruptions. In the next form, enter the details for the next time entry the same way. Add the matter, date, duration, description, rate, and any other required information. Then click Save and create another again. Continue repeating this process for each time entry you need to add. Each time, the current entry is saved and a new blank form appears so you can move straight into the next record. When you are finished adding new entries, you can also make changes to several existing time entries at once. Return to Activities and open the Time tab again. You will see the list of current time entries in that section. From the list, select the checkboxes beside the time entries you want to modify. Make sure you only select the entries that should receive the same update, since the changes you apply will affect all selected items together. After selecting the entries, click Edit Time Entries. This opens the bulk edit option for the items you selected. Bulk editing is available to administrators, so if you do not see this option, your account permissions may not include it. Once the edit screen is open, make the changes you need for the selected entries. Update the relevant fields based on what needs to be corrected or adjusted across that group. When the edits are complete, save your changes. Clio Manage will apply those updates to the selected time entries, and the revised information will appear in the time list. Your time entries are now added in bulk, and any selected existing entries have been updated in Clio Manage